Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Webmd Symptom Checker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Webmd Symptom Checker is a health reference app designed to help users understand possible medical conditions based on the symptoms they enter. You simply input details like your age, gender, and symptoms, and the app generates a list of potential conditions. Beyond the symptom checker, it also includes features like medication reminders, a pill identifier, health news updates, and doctor directories. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is known for its medically reviewed content, easy-to-use interface, and wide range of tools. Many users appreciate how quick and intuitive the symptom checker is, especially for getting a general idea of what might be going on before seeking professional help. It's also praised for the medication tracker and the ability to save profiles for different family members. That said, it's not without flaws. Some users mention that the app can feel cluttered due to ads, and a few report occasional bugs or slow loading times. Importantly, while it's a great reference tool, it should never replace actual medical consultation. Misinterpretation of results is a risk if taken as a diagnosis. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, the Webmd Symptom Checker app is a reliable companion for general health insights. With a strong database, educational content, and user-friendly design, it's especially helpful for early symptom tracking. However, be aware of the limitations and always follow up with a licensed medical professional for a proper diagnosis. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.